Hello, my name is Theodora and I am studying software development in IT Carlow.
And my name is Derry, and I'm also studying software development in IT Carlow. We're both in year 3 at the moment, and things are going very well. Assembly is a low-level programming language designed for specific types of processors.
Assembly is described as a symbolic machine code where instructions are named to help the programmer. MOV to move, for example.
This code can then be converted into machine code, ones and zeros, using an assembler.
Since most compilers convert source code from a high-level language directly to machine code, software developers are creating programs without using the assembly language.
But assembly code still does have its advantages. Programmers can use it to make parts of code faster or to make sure that the code is running as efficiently as possible.
Assembly is the most fundamental kind of software development, since machine code is too obscure and complex to be used by humans.
Last year, we had an experience at the Google Algorithm workshop where a Googler asked the crowd, "Who knows assembly?" and 3 people raised their hands. He was talking about it in the respect of using assembly to speed up an algorithm to check whether a number was positive or negative, and he was going to do this by just using the flags register to determine if it was positive or negative. The Googlers were very impressed with the people who raised their hands, and we were 2 of those 3 people.
Assembly really works your logic. It's a wonderful and strong skill to possess.
Best of luck in your coding.